Dear friends, we are learning some homeopathy treatment methods for small ailments, sudden ailments, some kind of accidents like that. We are dealing with some homeopathy medicines. Today our chapter is burns and scalds. Burns means any burn on the skin. Skin is damaged because of burning with fire, burning with any hot subject, hot object. Very heat object is placed on your skin. The outer layer and second layer will be damaged. Then there will be a rupture and the condition will become worse with pain, burning pain. Burning pain is there means we should think of a homeopathy medicine, an excellent medicine, that is Cantharis. If it is a burn and if it is pain, burning pain, people call it is burning, manta. They call in Telugu it is jalan. When jalan is there, jalan is Hindi word. When jalan is there, then we should think of Cantharis 30. Cantharis 30. I will put the photos of these all pictures, medicine pictures in the video. You can very easily identify them and purchase them from a good homeopathy medical shop. This Cantharis 30 potency, take inside 3 times a day for 3 days. If the burning is more severe and it is paining like a jalan, then Cantharis ointment is also available. You can apply this Cantharis ointment to that injury so that it will be healed very fast and very quickly. This is the advantage of homeopathy, and here you don't need to use any antibiotics. Generally, burn patients, they will admit in a hospital and they will treat in a different way with several antibiotics. So instead of going to allopathy hospital or doctor, we can keep this excellent first aid remedy. We can call it as first aid as well as treatment remedy, Cantharis, in the home, in ointment position and in external application, mother tincture. External application tincture. It is available in tincture shape. Tincture means mother tincture. It is in liquid shape. You can put it 3 to 4 drops in half glass water and wash the wound with that particular water several times in a day, so that the burn will be cured very effectively within a short period. If the stage is crossed and then there is swelling around the burn and it is paining a lot, you have to take Causticum 30. Causticum 30 is also very useful. All these three medicines, all this Causticum and Cantharis, both the medicines in 30 potency, you can take 3 to 4 doses in a day for 3 to 4 days. That will be advantage. In what shape you can do? You can take these medicines in pills shape, sweet pills. Homeopathy is very sweet to take. Children will like to take these medicines. Give the children or even elders in a sweet shape. It is very sweet to take. And sometimes we can give the dilution in the potency, 30 potency. Dilution means liquid. 30 potency liquid, 3 to 4 drops directly on the tongue. This is a way of taking the homeopathy medicines. And Cantharis tincture, after using Causticum 30 also, if there is fever in the body, give Aconite 30. Give to the patient Aconite 30. This drug will control fever due to the burns that has happened. So naturally, Aconite 30 will cure fever also, and the burn also will be cured very fast. If by mistake, by chance, if there is a suppuration means pus formation, it takes place in certain cases, then you can give the patient along with Cantharis ointment, you give him Hepar sulf 6 potency, Hepar sulf. All these medicines I will put in the video. The medicine with the bottle, you can show the bottle to the homeopathy shop owner, he will give you readily from the shop. That's very easy to select the medicine for you from the shop. Where available these medicines? In a homeopathy medical shop. All the medicines whatever I say, they are available in a particular homeopathy medical shop. These are very safe medicines. They don't have any side effects. Anybody can take them very easily, and it is very cost effective. Cheapest remedy in any system of medicine is homeopathy. But if you are going and consulting a corporate hospital, they are cheating the people. Their corporate hospital means they invest a lot on the hospital building and other rents, other things. They will throw everything on us. So instead of that, if we learn homeopathy on our own, it will be helpful for us, so that with 20 rupees of medicine cost, we can use this medicine in emergency like burns and other things. Burning pain if it is a burning pain, jalan pain, jalan ka dard, in Hindi jalan they call. So if such kind of pain is there, we will successfully can give Cantharis to the people. So thank you very much. Please try to understand homeopathy system. It is useful to you or a family, without any interruption, without injections, without giving saline, and without taking antibiotics that has got lot of side effects. These homeopathy medicines, they never have any side effects. They don't harm in any way, even by mistake if you swallow all the medicine. So such a wonderful medicine system is essential to the Indians. We can learn homeopathy very easily. Please go through my each and every lesson, what I am telling. Each on disease wise I am going to explain from now onwards. Share these things, keep it at a place. You arrange a playlist for yourself, so that you can refer very easily, and suggest to other people also, forward to the people to help themselves. Thank you very much.